Hi, my name is Rogelio Lopez. My friends know me as Roger Lopez Jr. I am the Justice of the Peace out in Precinct 4. I've been serving on the court for 4 months as I was appointed by the County Commissioner's Court to fill a vacancy that occurred earlier this year. At the Justice of the Peace Court, we hear different types of cases, including cases and controversies up to $10,000. We hear cases involving traffic violations, game and fish violations, evictions, and most importantly for me, what is my passion, the truancy matters. The reason I mention truancy, that is something that affects not only the young Democrats of Bexar County, but it affects all of us, all the citizens of Bexar County. When I speak to groups, I like to let them know that truancy has become a significant problem here, not only in Bexar County, but in this nation. The Secretary of Education has called it an epidemic. If you look at statistics of people that are in prison, 70% of them have not graduated from high school. 90% of them, their first court appearance is in my court, in truancy court. And so it truly is an opportunity, I believe, to touch people's lives, to touch young people's lives at a point where we can make a difference. And so for that reason, I truly believe that's one of the most important things that we do at our court. Since I've been at the court, I've been able to pick up where Judge Penn had left off. She brought that court to national recognition. And we have brought in several organizations to help reach out and touch kids, touch children's lives. We've made affiliations with Mothers Against Drunk Driving, the Texas A&M Agricultural Extension, the Livestock Show Association, several other types of organizations that have agreed to work with us to help these children who come before the court find something to focus on, something besides not going to school and being out there and doing things that are getting them into trouble. And so again, I emphasize that because that is what's most important in the court. What specific qualifications do I have? I have been a practicing attorney for over 15 years. As a Justice of the Peace, I think that's important to know because it's not required that you're an attorney in order to serve in that court. And so it's important that you have those types of qualifications. Number one, to know what goes on in a courtroom. I've been in a courtroom for over 15 years. I've tried hundreds of cases, and I know what it takes. I understand the rules of procedure. I understand the rules of evidence. And again, I believe that that's an important qualification. My first year out of law school, I worked on a case that was nationally publicized and was on 60 Minutes and had a brief appearance in that. So again, I've been involved in litigation in a very intense manner from the very beginning of my legal career. And so again, I am honored to serve as your judge in Precinct 4, and I respectfully request your vote. Para mis amigos que hablan español, quería decirles que es un honor servir en la Corte número 4 y respetuosamente les pido su apoyo y su voto. Muchas gracias.